getting into the Lost in Time Festival concert. If you know me, you know I love live music, and I haven't. I think the last one was the year before, so make us see what we're going. This is day one.
Jaja City, Jaja Town, them on fit on it in a cowboy town.
Who has been listening to me over the years? I wouldn't be standing on this stage right now without any of you tonight. So big up yourselves. Give yourselves a round of applause, please.
Anytime you need me, baby, girl, just come in. I'll come on to some man. You know when I say that I'm rich, love me, I tell you I'm a papa.
Well, the last night was so good, but I know how them are going to have it, so let's see.
Should have learned around. Nobody best. Now you're to me. Oh, it's a big all I wanna do is live on it. We are in I said I've been praying for a breakthrough. I said I've been for a way to get through. Live on it. We are in clear one in China. Every moment having, but I want to drink because things so hard. I'm beginning to go on. Yes! As sure as the sun don't shine, if you're patient enough, you're gonna have your time. Yes, but this one is yours. Convince your mind, that it's something that every time you go through your life, I say the greatest possession in life. Some people think they want to fight. We call them my language. Some people say that's a
Morning, guys. So I don't mean to be the bearer of bad news, but if you missed out on the last time concert, you really missed out on a good thing. These guys totally understand the concept of putting on a production. Like, the concert gave off a very international feel, a very international vibe. When I thought about like something to compare it to, I don't know why I want to compare it to Coachella. I don't know if that's too forward of me, but the show was really good from the start to the end. It was just a good moment. Like, I can understand why they call it Lost in Time, because you easily feel like you are transported to a different dimension. You are caught up in the vibe of the concert, the festival. I feel like you should call it a festival for sure. The music, the vibe, the people, the vendors, the food vendors that they hand selected, the decor, the props, the photo ops, the DJs that they chose to play. It's very evident that they are paying attention to the audience and what the people want, and they're giving them exactly that, which is why people just name up the concert that they are the way they are, because boy, like, you're really supersede expectations. Like, from the minute this would be their third staging. From the first staging to the second, now we're at the third. Mighty God, it's like you are trying to outdo yourself every single time, Protege, because what are you even saying? What are you doing? Like, why? Like, I want to sit down with you and have a conversation. I want to know how your mind works, because wow, your team did a very good job. There were attendants there. I don't know if anybody missed this, but there were attendants there. So you know how you have them one friend there. You know how you have these concerts that pull up and pop up, and you want to go but you don't have anybody to go with, you don't have an excuse, just show up. Because listen, you're probably wondering how you're going to get some photos taken. You know that there are people there that can take your photos for you, or they're assigned to do that. Like they're in their little flight attendant outfits, and they're like, hey, welcome to the experience, da 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 da. You know, enter your coach and you will be dropped off at this destination. It's like, what? I love it. The little details make sense to me, and I pay attention. And as I said, there were props there, like photo opportunities, and the ladies were just talking to you like, hey, you want help with your photos? And I'm like, who are you? Now I'm realizing after day 2 that they're there on purpose to help you out and to guide you and usher you along the way. Like if you're trying to find stuff, they will tell you where to. The details, the little touch, the little finishing touches makes it a very good experience. You know, let me tell you something. If you're going to a concert or a festival like that, you definitely need to wear comfortable wear, because your legs are gonna burn you. And for me, I felt I just wish I could have been on the stage. I wish I could have been on the stage, but it is what it is. It didn't matter where you were standing, you could still see the stage based off of like the screens that they put up. You could see it, the music, me hear it wherever I was standing. The music was good, so they had no issues with audio and just making sure that you could hear the artist perform, which I love. I love the idea of having the 2 stage, so there was like a seamless flow of music. There was never a moment where like you sit down and wonder what to do. If your artist isn't performing, you could literally get up, move around, go around the arcade section, go around the different sections and be entertained. There are places where you could sit down and just play games with your friends. Like they thought of everything, and I thought that was really nice. And I'm very happy to see this level of production coming out of Jamaica. Like, we're little but we're Talawa, and I know that we have a lot of talented people who just want a break, just want a moment to showcase them skills. And I felt like I was in a creative space. You understand? Them never did follow the mold or the stand, what everybody said is a standard. They created their own standard, and mighty God, that is talent. Like, I don't know. You just had to be there. I'm not gonna lie, long time I'm not going to a concert and come back and say, yo, that was good, guys. That was really good. Like when I get 5 stars, if you had a book right now, I'm gonna give you a ticket. I'm gonna put 100 plus, because you guys deserve. Like if there was an award show for events, you guys would have topped the list. You get what I'm saying? Like, you're gonna have to keep doing what you're doing, and I hope the right person hears this message. Listen to me next time, please. Get me some tickets so I can be at the front, right in the pits. Because, wow, to receive listen, I'm on the side of the stage, and I'm looking at the screen, and the energy I feel from the screen, just listening to the artist and perform. I can just imagine what it must be like if you are dead in the center just looking at the artist and perform. If you love live music like me, you know what I mean. Like, honest to God, man, that was a moment. And I'm so glad. This is how I start my new month. Like, that was the perfect ending to February and the perfect start to a new month. It was so poetic. No, sir. I love it. I'm glad I come out and see it. Protege, Lost in Time Festival will always get my money. Excuse me? Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful performance. Love it.